go. Hey! It's Hannah! Woo! Woo! And this is... Come on. Grace, who believes she's a model, but she's wrong. And this is our lovely companion, Jake. He's a model.
He's a male model.
He licks
Calvin Klein underwear.
He licks my knee every time I walk by. We're gonna take a video, and we're all gonna be wearing our sunglasses.
The model.
And Jake doesn't like it, so hold on. Red one, red sunglasses. The camera. Here we are. Here we are.
Do my dance.
Let's switch.
Do my dance.
Oh, Jake, no.
Do my dance.
No, we're gonna switch. What's Jake supposed to get?
Stop!
Shutter shades. Grandma glasses. And Nick Jonas glasses. Look at us.
Switch.
Are we not the best looking family you've ever seen?
I can take it back.
Oh, those are Jake.
Let's instead of dog. Stop!
Nick Jonas sunglasses. Shutter shades. And grandma glasses. And there's Grace's lovely apple sticker on her forehead.
Do a dance.
Okay. Hold on, Jake's biting it. Okay. No. It's Jake with my belt. Let's see if he'll shake for us. Come here. Stop.
Sit.
Grace, stop.
I'm gonna do it here.
I want to do it.
You do it too.
Okay.
Sit. Shake. Okay.
Get off my belt.
Get up
Sit.
here.
Stop. Ah! He's breast meat.
Ow!
Stop.
Okay.
Jake.
Sit. Shake. Shake.
My turn.
Shake.
Shake.
Thank you.
Muy stiff. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.